The drive is nice.
Yes, the road is smooth.
Look at the clouds.
They are very dark.
The app said sun.
No sun right now.
Wow, listen to that thunder.
It is starting to rain.
It is raining hard. I cannot see well.
Oh no, the house.
What is wrong, Sarah?
The big living room window.
Is it open?
Yes, for fresh air.
The rain is blowing in.
My new wool carpet.
Don't panic. We're close.
Please drive safely, Tom.
Look at the window.
It is wide open.
The floor is wet.
Close it now, Tom.
Okay, it is safe.
Look at the carpet.
It is soaking wet.
It is ruined, right?
No, we can save it.
I am so sorry.
Don't be sorry. Let's work.
I have the towels.
Put them right here.
Press down very hard.
Like this? Is it good?
Yes, soak up the water.
The towel is heavy now.
Give me a dry one.
This work is hard.
But look, it is better.
Yes, it's not so wet now.
We are a good team.
We saved the carpet.
I need some water.
Let's sit and rest.
Wait, what is that?
Is it the wind?
No, listen carefully.
That is Buster barking.
Is he in his room?
I think so. Maybe.
Did you bring him in?
I thought you did.
Oh no, poor Buster.
He is out in the rain.
Open the back door.
Buster, come inside, boy.
He is totally wet.
He is shaking.
To the bathroom, quickly.
Warm water is ready.
Put him in the tub.
Don't shake, Buster.
Oh no, my face.
I am wet too.
Okay, wash him now.
He likes the bubbles.
Now dry him off.
He looks like a cloud.
A clean, fluffy cloud.
The house is quiet now.
The carpet is safe.
And the dog is clean.
Here is hot tea.
Thank you, Sarah.
Look at Buster sleeping.
He is very tired.
I am exhausted too.
It is our turn.
Time to relax now?
Yes, just do nothing.
That sounds very good.
Have a good rest.